Andrews, and this is Guy's Garage YouTube channel, and we're just doing a little quiet Sunday afternoon roll up a mountain somewhere in Australia. I'm in a Hyundai N Performance shod with Hankook RSR tyres on 18 by 9 inch Enkies, chasing a car worth probably 4 times as much, a BMW Club Sport with Pirelli Pilot Sport 2s, Cup 2s, driven by a friend of mine, and he's loose. That's probably what I'd say. But pushing the little N to keep in contact. Tell you what, I'd still like to own that Club Sport. It's a beauty, but for the money, this Hyundai N is just an amazing little car. And what I like about it, I'm just taking off now from me, but what I do like about this Hyundai is that I could probably come up this hill as many times as I want. Obviously John could in his Club Sport as well, and you'd want to be able to do that in a $130,000 car, but this car is a lot more reliable than my old, similarly priced 135 BMW, which was 10 years old, and it was a little temperamental, and I wasn't able to do multiple laps at track days in that car, but in the little Hyundai I can, so that's what I really do love about the reliability of this thing. Just keeping an eye out for traffic in this little two-way section, or one-way section. Managed to sneak in ahead of some traffic there. Let's just enjoy the driving. Country road like this, you can't really get away and use the full capacity of that Club Sport. On a racetrack, yes, different story. But again, that E-diff, just getting the power down early. The sport settings in custom modes, I've got full Sport Plus on everything, steering, diff, except for the suspension I've got Sport, which is giving me a little bit less bump and compression just to handle these country road bumps. So we just had some spirited fun there, and John likes to have a go. I'm going to call him John 3 balls from now on, because he's definitely got an extra ball in there, in that sack of his. He likes having a crack, which is good. He's going to fit in very nicely around here with us guys. So very good. I love this car, really do. But I would marry that Club Sport.